Hi folks, another little tool thing what I'm doing. Some cheap sort of tools I bought off Amazon. You can go and purchase all these on Amazon. I get a little bit of a kickback. I'm not sponsored by no one or anything like that, but I thought they'd come in useful. Something that you don't see every day that's being purchased on the internet. So first thing, I'm just going to get into it, is one of these. Now, one of the viewers who see me standing actually told me about these, and it's one of these non-slip router pad, but you can use it for sort of sanding, all that kind of stuff. Now, I've not used them. You'll see me using them in my videos, so, and I will tell you how they are on the videos, stuff like that. So this one's quite a, I think, a biggish one if I've got my maths right and got my dimensions right. Just let me sort of put that down there. That's jump, put that there so I'm not cutting anything or cutting myself. So anti-slip mat, you know, it's a big size that. So that'll do me perfectly. So if I want to sort of like get a piece of wood on there, that's quite good actually. I'm quite surprised. So if I'm sanding or something like that, yeah, all right. So that's the first thing. Now I haven't got the prices to hand, but you'll see boxes come up where I'll show you the Amazon thing, and there'll be links down below for the prices. I just wanted to more show you the items. So that's this size. This is black. I don't know what material it is. I haven't got a clue. But that's quite a smart thing. That'll be a good addition. So I'm going to leave that there so I can show you these next things. So the next thing I got was, everybody's going on about the flush trim knives, and I just wanted to see if there was anything out there that was a bit better, because on my little flush trim knives, I have cut my finger once. You've probably seen it on one of the videos where I got a cut on the end of my finger, and it was because I went and grabbed the saw, and the blade's exposed. So I thought I'll try this. It's like a little butterfly type flush trim knife, and I will put this to use. Obviously I am going to use it. I bought it. I paid for everything with my own money, so there's none of that shenanigans here. So that's it, flush trim knife, and you get into it there. That folds out, that comes out. That's cut nice and stiff, and you can lock it back there. It's not a bad size actually. I'm not sure whether it's got a coarse side and whether it's got a thing there, but it says here on it 150mm. So I take it that's the size of the blade, but seems nice and strong. Could use it. Yeah, it's a bit stiffer than my normal flush trim knives, but still you're going to get a good, for getting plugs out and that kind of thing. Looks like, I don't know what the wood is, but looks like walnut handle, but just fold it away. Just watch your fingers. Because it's new, it's stiff, but I'm sure. But that there, you could sort of like put in your pocket, couldn't you? Or in your tool bag, when you're reaching in your tool bag, or up on, if you've got it on a magnetic rack. And sometimes you're not looking, if you're like me and a bit clumsy. At least if it's like that, your hands are not going to touch them blades because they are ultra sharp. So we'll see how we'll go on with that. But on first impressions, looks rather good. Next thing I've got is these. Now, I'm going to be getting into doing some sort of videos where I'm doing sort of like hand chiseling work and all that kind of stuff. And I've been watching a few of the guys do it on the videos, and I know it's not easy. They make it look really easy because these are skilled people, but I want to get good at it, and I don't. It's just one of them things as woodworkers. We want to get sort of good at stuff, don't we? So there's all sorts of people telling you to buy all sorts of different sharpening systems and all this kind of stuff. Now, I don't know what's right, what's wrong, what's the best, whatsoever, because I've never done it before. So what I thought I'd do is I'm going to do a video where I'm going to make a sharpening system, like a little sharpening station to start off, with some chisels and sharpening chisels. So these are like diamond stones. They're only thin. I don't know what the quality's like, but they're quite cheap. So I thought I'd get these, get sort of used to doing what I'm doing. I've got a cheap set of chisels. I don't want to go and spend fortunes on stuff at the minute until I know that I'm doing things right, because I don't want to ruin anything. So these are sort of cost effective, and they might be okay. I'll let you know But I will be doing a video of these where I make sort of put them on like a wooden bench with a strop and some sort of gauge here for, you know, to make it easier for you guys that are beginners that want to get into chiseling. I don't know about it, but I'm going to do a video anyway. So you get 4 in the pack here. You get a 400, a 600, a 1000, and a a 1200. So you get 4 diamond. They are what they are. Let's see how we go with it. But if you want to get into sort of like, if you're starting woodworking, you've got a cheap set of chisels and you want to start sharpening, that is, I know these water stones and oil stones, some of them like cost an absolute fortune, and I know they're probably a lot better, you know, leagues above these, but for beginners and starters and, you know, occasional use, am I going to be chiseling every day? No, I'm not. So something like this might just be handy. So anyway, in the box, you'll see what I paid for them, got them off Amazon, and that's them. We'll see how we go with them. I've not tried them, but we'll see how we go with them. Right, next thing I've got is these. Now, it's a... Let me open it, if I can open it. I have had them open. Right, so these are like metal mechanical pens. You get 4 in a pack. Then you get a spare tube here with extra erasers that fit onto the end there. As you can see, I've been trying this one out. You get 4 packs of leads. I've gone for the 9mm leads here. And in each pack, you're getting, how many's in there? You're getting 60, I think, in each pack. So you're getting quite, 60 pieces in each pack. So you're getting quite a lot. And more erasers there. They are what they are, the metal. Now, I keep losing pencils. And I use my normal pencil, gone down quick. I've broke about 3 or 4 sharpeners doing it, and that's the sort of like drawback to that. And then I've got a couple of carpenter's pencils. Somebody sent me in some carpenter's pencils. They're good, but for sort of finer work, these will be better. You know, if you're getting right in with the measurements and stuff like that. There's 4 of them. They're nice and cheap. It's a nice box. And if you're looking for a like Christmas gift idea for somebody, these are ideal, aren't they? So anyway, 4 candies they're called. 4 candies. 4 candies, not 4 candles. 4 candies. The British will probably know what I mean there by that. So they come in a case. They'll last forever. We'll give them a try. And that leads me on to sort of my last sort of item, Amazon item. And I thought I'd treat myself to this. Well, Shelley treated me to it, to be perfectly honest. It's a Woodworker's Project Planner book. So as you know on me videos, you see me sketching. And one of the problems is when I edit the videos and do the write-up, I tend to forget what the dimensions are and stuff. So I don't put it in into the description because I tend to forget, because when I'm making stuff, I'm not doing stuff to specific sizes. I'm just making it off the bat when I make stuff on these videos. So with this, I can write every dimension down, a little sketch, even down to sort of like the weather conditions. Like if you have a look out there, Shelley will sort of draw. We've got snow at the minute here in the UK where we are, and it's absolutely Baltic freezing. So Shelley's like waving at me mad she wants me to hurry up, so I'm going to keep talking because she's sat there freezing. So, but this is ideal, and I'm going to use this. But again, how nice is that? So now what I can do when I start doing my next project, like I'm starting one today, and you'll see it on my next video, which will be Sunday. I'll use this, I'll sketch out the idea, then I'll put all the info there. Then I've got a reference then, when I'm doing my video. For me, on a personal level, I can put them dimensions in. So I know people have been asking me for dimensions, and I do apologise. But sometimes I just forget, or I just forget to put the dimensions in. But I can go back to that. So if I'm selling something and I go, oh, right, well, that bookcase, I can't remember that. I've got it. I've got a record. And these are inexpensive. So that is handy. Links will be in the description for that. I'm going to use that. That'll definitely be getting used. So that's that from the Amazon sort of items. Now, what I want to do show you is, obviously, you might have seen on a few of the videos where I'm using like a wood barn. This is our own wood barn. with essential oils. You can get it in sort of natural where you've got no sort of essential oil in there. This one is orange, that one is lemon. We've got a lavender, and we've got a natural. It's made with the finest, the best quality sort of beeswax. We try to sort of support local beekeepers, but it's not always necessary. Sometimes you can't get the wax and stuff of them, so we have to sort of buy sort of wax in. But we always look for the best quality wax. It's a blend of like mineral oil, wax, all that kind of stuff. Makes a right mess making it. These are 150ml tins. I'll just show you. Set the lid off one, and you know, comes like that. In this weather now, where it's cold, it's sort of really set hard. But you know, if you're just sort of like doing over your worktops, chopping boards, we put this over furniture when we're selling our furniture. Gives it a nice shine and sheen. It's food safe and safe. You haven't got any of that worries with it. It's good stuff. And this is another product we do. It's furniture oil. It's a mixture of two oils, one being the main ingredient being mineral oil, and I forget the name of the other oil, but it's all food safe. You can use this on chopping boards. You can use it on all surfaces. If you can actually use this on leather, but what I would do on the lighter leathers, I'd test mark it first somewhere because it can darken certain leathers. But like if it's like a green Chesterfield sofa or a red Chesterfield sofa, it's absolutely amazing stuff. But we use that again to sort of clean up furniture, worktops, oak tops, any sort of tops really. Again, food safe, kid safe, wife safe, dog safe, pet safe, cat safe, gorilla safe. And that's for her behind the camera. So anyway, that's that. You can get this and this off our website, and we're going to put stuff on like this so you can support our channel. So if you want to support our channel and you can get something out of it, that's that. So I hope you've liked this video. I'll put all links to these in the description if you want to go and buy them. I'll put sort of pictures up of what they look like on Amazon, and yeah. If you subscribe to our channel, that'd be fantastic. That's the best thing you can do. Share it, do this. You can follow us over on Instagram at The Wood Junker. So stay safe, keep warm. I'm going to get myself some gloves, and I've got a new app coming. You'll love it, and I might actually buy a load, have them embroidered up for you to buy that'll go along with them. See you later. You're all amazing.